To get suggestion while typing in the Internet Apps address bar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable Show Suggested Search and Website option in the Internet App setting. To do so, open Samsung Internet App, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting, tap Address Bar Search, and then tap the gray on offset next to Show Suggested Search and Website until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Type something on the address bar. As you can see, as you are typing, your phone will show some search suggestion related to what you are typing below the address bar. If needed, you can tap one of the suggestions to quickly search it to the selected search engine. Given to the function, this feature can make searching faster, easier, and more accurate. You can use this feature when you want to save time while typing, when you are unsure of the exact search term, spelling, or the right web address, or when you simply want to explore related topics or ideas. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.